Guys, hi, it's Kit Elliott here. I wanted to walk you through on how to set up your free SSL and your WordPress and your theme. So I'm going to do it just from complete scratch. I have got a new website called Unstoppable Affiliate. And so what I want to do is go ahead and once you sign up, hosting is $3.95 a month. Okay, so then once you've added hosting to your domain name, they'll give you access to your cPanel just like this. When you have a cPanel, you can log in. First step is to turn on your SSL. It's Let's Encrypt. Click that, we'll do it together. Okay, once this goes, you'll see that Unstoppable Affiliate, Let's Encrypt install. That'll load and you'll see it takes about, you probably could count about 20 seconds. And then it will automatically install the SSL for your domain name. And this is free of charge. It comes with the SiteGround. And so for less than $4 a month, you're able to have the free SSL. What is $3.95 divided by 30 days? You're spending 13 cents a day on hosting. So then you go here. So you've got your SSL set up. That was easy. Now what I want you to do is go to your Softalicious. Okay, Softalicious, and then here's your WordPress. You're just going to install it. And then we're going to see how it just changed through the HTTPS. That means your site is secure. We're going to go ahead and put this Unstoppable Affiliate. Okay, get your first commission check today. Okay, so then they automatically do an admin here username. If you want, you can go ahead and copy and paste that in a kind of a new, like a notepad. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a notepad over here so that way I'll have it. They have very easy. Let's install it. Okay, it says it could take 3 to 4 minutes. But as you can see, it took about 10 seconds. So now I've got a WordPress. I can go ahead and click here and that'll log me right back into the WordPress. Boom, I'm already there. And let's go ahead and add a different username. So like that way I'll have a personal one. You'll send that password to that particular email. Boom, that's easy. I go ahead and delete those because there's other spam plugins that I like. Okay, now let's talk about the theme. Okay, let's go ahead and search for a new theme. We're going to call this one, search for Ocean WP. And you'll see that. You'll just install that. It takes a second. They will recommend their own plugins that go with Ocean WP. See, so you can just begin installing those. That's easy. You got Elementor, which is a page builder. It's free of charge. And then you can import some demo if you like. That's easy. And then you'll have extra. Ocean Extra is just kind of like they have extra CSS design elements on that page. That's easy. So far we've got a full website set up right now where it's got 4 minutes into it on SSL. Over here what I like to do also is search for kind of an SSL here on, and so you can do really simple SSL and activate that, and that'll force all your SSL. Go ahead and activate SSL. Boom. Okay. Right now you've got free SSL, you've got a theme, and you've got a builder. Okay, so you can easily go ahead and create add a page, and let's just say test, and let's send this to full width, and then these are your WordPress elements. So if you want breadcrumbs, your title, change any of your headers or logo for this specific page, you can, or they have defaults. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that easily. So you've got I'm going to disable all of this just so that way you can see how it looks. And then we can start with a clean blank page. because what I like to do is go edit with Elementor, which is a page builder. And what's so great about Elementor is that you can change themes over and over and over again, and the Elementor code is going to work with all themes. Okay, so if you click here, you can see that there are already pages ready to go, already beautifully designed. Okay, so you can easily go, okay, I have a cake shop or a personal page or a resume or an app. So let's say I have an app or a mobile app that I'm doing. Let's see. So some of these are if that's how they make their money, they want you to upgrade to the pro level, and then these are free. Let's say that I want to insert that. So far, we're 6 minutes into it. This is beautiful. Look at that already. And then you can just click here and then change the elements here. Change any elements. Real time. And then at the bottom here is an update button. Let's see if I can. There it is. Do you see it? It's the update button. You're going to update that. And then you can actually, there's a preview button. You can preview it to see what that looks like, and you can see how beautiful that site is. So now I just added the domain name, the free SSL, and if you'll look up here, you can see that the SSL is secure. See how this whole page is secure with this green. So you got free SSL. You've now got the plugin that was free, the Elementor plugin. You've got the absolute best WordPress theme. And now you're building your website. You can build unlimited web pages like this. And how much did it cost you? Less than $4. Okay, so if you need any help setting this up, let me know. I'll create another walkthrough video, or I'll do it for you. If you go through my link and sign up for hosting, I will set this up and set your domain name up. All you have to do is have a domain name, and then I will add it, set this up for you so you can log in and start building out your pages. So as you can see, it was very simple. I think we're running on 7 minutes now, 8 minutes. So before 8 minutes, I've already got my page up and my website up and running. Didn't take long at all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Tag and share somebody. Tag somebody who you think would be interested in this, who actually need to see this. Have you tried this? This is amazing. And then leave any comments with questions. And I actually prefer to answer questions with like a training videos, so that way everybody helps. Because if we can lift everybody up, then that's what this is all about. That's really the power of the internet, just kind of helping everybody and raising everybody up. So thanks a bunch, and I'll see you on the next video.